masks remain required when heading out in public here in California as the debate over mask mandates continues around the country. But what rights do customers and business owners have when it comes to enforcement or the ability to not wear a mask if you have a health issue or something? News Channel 3's Jake Ingracia live tonight breaking it down for us. Jake.
Yeah, John, good evening. And some business owners that I spoke with today say for the most part here in the Valley, people have been pretty respectful when it comes to that statewide mask order. But what if somebody were to enter a store without one, saying they have a medical exemption? One legal expert's response tonight might surprise you.
That man harassed me for not wearing a mask. I have a breathing problem. My doctor would not let me wear a mask.
Heated confrontations sparking over masks.
You guys are violating federal law. Do you get that?
This clip from a Hollywood Trader Joe's taken last month. The woman says she has a medical condition. So is it legal for her to stay and shop without one?
Everyone needs to wear their mask 100% of the time.
In Michael Ross's 2 boutique shops in downtown Palm Springs, he's seeing an influx of customers from LA lately, for the most part following city and state mask requirements.
Sometimes they'll just have it like down below their nose, but we approach them and we say, okay, you need to pull it up.
But if someone were to deliberately disobey,
We would just ask them to leave.
attorney Stephen Peck of Peck Law Group in Palm Desert says as a business owner, that's his right.
Business owner has the right not to admit anybody into a store if he doesn't want to. It's his private place, and he can decide who he wants to come into his store.
Some store owners say that's leading to some uncomfortable interactions, like Joy Meredith at Crystal Fantasy.
Some of the people that don't wear masks are very angry, and it's become a political thing. And that puts an awful burden on our shoulders to have to maybe have some conflict with a customer.
And if the customer says they have a medical problem, Peck says it doesn't break privacy laws for the business owner to ask for more information.
You can ask anybody anything. Whether or not that person wants to give up that information is another story.
That's a follow-up question Ross says he would rather not ask. To him, customers with mask-prohibiting medical conditions are better off staying in.
I think, if it's that bad, they probably shouldn't even be out. They should be at home if they feel that strongly about it.
And as far as policing goes on that statewide mask mandate, there are Valley police agencies locally here that say there are enforceable fines on that as well. Reporting live tonight, Jake Ingracia, News Channel 3.